back today. Yesterday, I was feeling not well, so yeah, Damian only making the video. But today, we will explore the area, in National Stadium. And behind me, this one is Jim Thompson Museum Road, if I'm not mistaken. So we will show you around how it is.
So this is the National Stadium. You can find on the other side of the street also MBK Center. But we used to already make videos about the MBKs, and yesterday I also was going from this station looking for the Polish donut. So we're gonna start from the different area, and this is actually Mercure Hotel and Ibis Hotel as well. So they are also holiday in somewhere, so you can find so many hotel options to stay nearby National Stadium. And we're gonna go into the river direction. That's the most important and the most interesting part of the National Stadium neighborhood. Also so many food options everywhere around. Of course, this is Bangkok. So at the front is Holiday Inn and the huge Yamaha shop. And we are going into small alley like this one. If you're gonna go till the end, there will be the canals and the river taxi, and also what is the most important, Jim Thompson Museum. Also on the way I just found out there are many nice like little cafes and the nice buildings actually, like houses and some townhouses as well, I think, and probably some condominiums. Well, what's going on here? Another cafe here. Actually cool, very cozy neighborhood, and we are going there. There will be Jim Thompson Museum. Small alley here as well. As you can see, there were actually nice houses. They are just everywhere around. They are big tall buildings, but actually area is famous for the small two-story houses as well. And basically, as you can see, the area is popular for the foreigners living here in Bangkok. So many actually places to rent apartments, I believe, and many tenants actually as well here. Little bit of view of the local neighborhood as well here. Some locals must living, little garage, and the old lady sitting here enjoying their afternoon. It's already after 5 p.m. And here we go. This beautiful building is already Jim Thompson Art Center and Gallery. Well, that's how does it look like. And the house, the old house, actually the real house of the Jim Thompson, it must be there where so many flags. And this is also maybe why so many international visitors are actually strolling around, because of Jim Thompson House Museum. However, I'm not sure if it's still open because they are closing at 5. And the Jim Thompson house is actually this one, the wooden house, beautiful place with the red walls. We can get a little bit inside, actually outside. There is the ticket options. The entrance is 200 baht to get inside the museum, but the house in general looks like this one. It's pretty cool. But on today's occasion, we are not going to the Jim Thompson house and the museum. We're gonna make a special dedicated video regarding this topic. I just wanted to show you the neighborhood around. Also a few words about the Jim Thompson. Jim Thompson was one of the most legendary and most popular American guy living in Thailand in late 60s actually, and he was helping Thailand to develop the silk, exporting silk to the western countries from Thailand in the times when the local market of silk was very, very low. So that's the actually legendary guy. That's why they make a museum of his house after he suddenly disappeared in 62, I think, or 61 in Cameron Highlands in Malaysia. Till now, nobody knows what's happened to him. But we're gonna make a video about the Jim Thompsons, for sure, dedicated video about his house, about his story and the museum and everything. Let's explore the area of National Stadium still. And just next to Jim Thompson house, there is the canals, and the river taxi is actually just going just right here. Yo, what's up? The guy was so happy. And this is like a little walkway. You can go to the, actually, where is the BTS? We're gonna have a little stroll and explore the neighborhood. What is here actually around? Is there?
Let's go there.
Let's go. Except that, as they are river taxis cruising, we took the taxi like this one. Maybe we're gonna take it today again later on. And there are so many visitors strolling actually around and enjoying their afternoon walk, because why not? You can also actually have a stroll across the canals in central Bangkok. The walkway looks like this one. It's actually pretty enjoyable.
All right, so behind me also, the mural art on the wall. So one thing that I realize wherever we go in Bangkok, if there is any empty, like this one wall, people will make something like, you know, creative mural art. So yeah, I think that along this canal will be so many mural art. So let's go explore how it is. So look over there, that's the pink flower. I don't know what's the name of the flower, but looks like the sakura flowers in Tokyo.
Looks cool, right?
Yes.
And there are some local housing or small old housing. Not sure if there's somebody still living there. And in the background there are already condominiums and the residential buildings. This is actually central Bangkok still. There is also supposed to be some pretty cool cafe, I think, here, but unfortunately it's closed. Well, it was. This is the river canal. There's the BTS train coming. This is where we are going. And well, a little bit of the murals, more of them. So this is one of the piers of the public transportation of the river taxi, obviously. And on the other side of the canal, there are locals enjoying their time playing the volleyball, I think. Actually, I will zoom a little bit for you. Yeah, they play volleyball. That's actually cool. And yeah, and the taxi, river taxi looks like this one. I really recommend it to have a tour of this. It's actually pretty cool. Also, these canals are taking very long way. You can come from National Stadium and go up to Nana or Asok or even more further, both directions. You just after 5-10 stations, depends of the line, you have to change the boat going more further. Also, the ticket shouldn't cost you more than 14 bahts, no matter where we are going. So it's very convenient and very cool experience, by the way. So basically, we are in Hua Chang Bridge right now, and you can go up to Asok and then more further, as I mentioned, but also from here, also the Jim Thompson house is next to it. Of course, you can go up to the old town where is, for example, Kawasan Road here. So it's actually very cool way of transportation and very affordable.
Yes, I think that this transportation, whenever you want to escape from hustle and bustle traffic jam.
Because obviously
Bangkok.
there is no traffic jam on the canals in Bangkok. Jim Thompson is, by the way, open 9 to 5 in case if I forgot to mention. And under the bridge, actually, where is the station, there's like a little street food. I mean, you can buy some food and drinks. Like I already mentioned many times, there's no shortage of the food options in Bangkok, no matter where you are. And also, if you are traveling, walking through the canals or using the boat taxis, you can experience a little bit of the local vibe. And this is already the main street and the bridge and the BTS situation. You can go to the different directions. Rush hour. So as you can see, you're using the river, there is quiet. You are using the street. Situation gonna looks like this one. Many options actually. And also this is the main street actually going to National Stadium and the Siam. Look at these guys, what they are selling here. What is this actually, Sayan?
Like a sausage.
Like a sausage. Looks cool actually. Looks
Yeah.
cool. And the fruits, bananas and mangoes in the trolley. The guy selling the, yo, what's up? The birds and cool. Thank you. You're welcome. Construction of something. There's always construction of something everywhere in Asia in general. Construction workers. And this is where we are. You may be more familiar with these views of this junction of BTS, MBK Tower and MBK Center, Siam Group malls, huge traffic jams, and well, that's how does it look like. The area of National Stadium, of course. We can go up, we can go to the mall or MBK or just back to the metro system. BTS actually. And actually the building in the corner on the other side of MBK is Bangkok Art and Culture Center. So now you know what is in the area of the National Stadium BTS. Some hotels, some condominiums. Most of you probably remember, recognize the MBK Center, but it's also Jim Thompson, the museum. So it's actually pretty a lot of things to see and look around. Thank you so much for watching. Sayang, wanna say something? You're still very weak little bit, baby.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe I just need to have a time for myself, Okay, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya,
Bye.
take care.